The reason that you're here is because you haven't had a driving lesson with an instructor for so long. You've been learning with your dad, but is it the right stuff?
Yeah.
And you're not sure if you're test ready and whether to book one. Do you know the show me, tell me questions?
Last drove with an instructor over a year, but I drive with my dad and like family. Start moving.
Great.
Oh, there we go. That's the best thing about stop start.
So
Yes.
how's that going?
Pretty good. My dad is pretty good at hyping me up secretly. Even
Yeah?
though we may have definitely arguments in the car,
Okay.
but he is very good at supporting me with it, for sure. Roundabouts do scare me, to say the least.
Keep the speed up at 50 now.
Okay.
Push, 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 push. Not done this before?
Not really.
Bloody hell, yes. Breezed through that. Well accurate as well. So let's have a look at your driving. Any questions about the road, you can ask me. Any questions about should I be doing this or should I be doing that, ask me.
Yeah.
And we'll see if you're test ready or not.
Turn left, then turn right.
I hate when it does that. Turn left, then turn right.
Two instructions close together,
Yeah.
yes.
Turn
That
left,
sends-
then turn right.
That sends my dyslexia in a... Oh. Yeah, it turns my dyslexia in a right little moment.
Best thing you can do about that then is just look at the screen to remind yourself what's going on. Quick glance and then you're good.
Turn right.
100 points if you can spot on the video in my car. In the comments, like, let's go. Do you know the show me, tell me questions?
I mean, yes and no, I feel like.
Okay.
I'm definitely... Like, I know about Frank, like, I know my car. So
Yeah.
I feel like I would be okay. It might be the little things that I'm like, oh, is that where that is? I would second guess myself and then probably talk myself out of the right answer before I actually say yes or no or whatever it is.
So if I asked you to turn on the dipped headlights, would you have to do that? Nice.
Yeah.
Do you drive at night?
Yes. So because of my recent job change, I used to drive a lot at night time, so I'd be getting out of work at like 11, 12 o'clock at night.
Oh, what do you do?
I was a restaurant
At
supervisor.
the end of the road,
Okay.
turn right,
Yeah.
then turn left.
Loads of free food?
Not exactly, but discounted, heavily discounted.
Okay.
Like
no
heavily.
free food when you work at a restaurant?
No free
Scam.
food for us.
Turn right, then turn
but-
left.
Yeah.
Where did you work? Somewhere famous? Or like a local
Miller and
place?
Carter.
Stop! Oh, I'll take discounted food at Miller and Carter.
Yeah, Miller
all
and Carter.
day. Oh, still though, if it was
Yeah.
free. We're going to take the next left as well.
Turn left.
Thanks. Miller and Carter?
Yeah.
As if you've left a job there for discounts.
The
Turn
park.
right, then at the end of the road, turn left.
After,
Is this the right one? Yeah.
Yes. After the little black BMW, pull up on the left before the silver car.
Okay.
What I want you to do is move off next to the silver car and then parallel park behind it, or this side of it, parallel park
Okay.
on it. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Done these manoeuvres?
Yeah, once or twice.
Once or twice, okay, but not regularly.
Not regularly, no.
Don't practice this with your dad.
Not one of them. Nope.
Interesting. Well, this will be really useful then, because then you'll be able to watch it back.
Yeah.
He'll be able to watch it back and then get some pointers and hints
Yeah,
and tips.
I can guarantee money. He'll be, minute this gets posted, he'll be all over it. He'll be like, okay, Izzy, we're going to do this, we're going to do like this. And he's going to
Okay,
be reading it as you,
sick.
like literal revision, knowing him.
Let's go.
Okay. I think it was to there, if I remember correctly. I think I might be a bit far away from the curb. I feel like I can fix that. Oh, what are you up to? Okay. Okay, I'm definitely further away from the curb because I can still see it quite a bit.
Further away than what?
Then I think it's like 2 something.
About a drain width.
Yeah, about a drain width, I
You're
think.
Fine.
Am I?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
a nice finish.
Okay, I'll
It's
take
not
that.
really so much about how you park. So even though it needed a correction, and it was not perfect,
Yeah.
you could practice it though. The thing that I was looking at, and I'd say that you only need to improve, you could bang out that parallel park on your test and be fine, but what you need to improve on is the observation.
Yeah.
If there was someone crossing the road from right to left or left to right behind your car while you were reversing, you wouldn't have seen them and you would have hit them.
Okay.
Actually, deep, that's something to think about.
Yeah.
Why, when you pulled off from the side of the road as well, there wasn't a blind spot check. So if there was a cyclist passing
It's
you at the
those little
same time,
things, yeah.
you would have hit them because you wouldn't have seen them. So you would have pulled off anyway. While you were reversing, going backwards, you were only looking on this side. So again, if anyone was crossing from
Yeah.
right to left, you wouldn't have seen them.
Okay.
What are the other kind of stuff that you think or you're not sure of because you haven't had an instructor? Like, you said there were some.
Yeah, so like the biggest thing is like the fuel efficiency kind of vibe. Like, so for my car, I know my car, it sits good and it goes well when I'm in second and I can do like 20, I can do 25. But then am I meant to move up to third? Because apparently that can be better for the car. And I don't really know because every car's different. And I'm like, I don't know what's right or wrong.
Second or third gear won't really make much of a difference on your test. It might make a little bit of a difference to your
After
fuel bills,
200 yards, turn right.
but that's not really what the examiner's looking for.
Yeah.
Is it a safety issue? Is it against the rules? That's what's going to make you
Okay.
fail. Also, when you watch this back, rewind a little bit. There was a bus lane there.
Oh, was I in
Turn
it?
right.
Weren't in it,
Oh, thank God. I thought I was in it then.
but you could have been.
Because I knew there's a bus lane around here.
Yeah.
I thought I was in it then. I was like, oh no.
Rewind and look at the times on that bus lane.
Yeah.
If you can be in a bus lane,
Go in
you
it.
should, because it's then the left lane, and we want to drive in the left lane.
Okay. Am I too far over?
Cool.
I hope not. Oh, no, that's a bus. I don't want to risk that. Don't know if I should have, but. Oh dear, light's gone.
What should we do now?
Start moving.
Great.
Oh, there we go. That's the best thing about stop start.
Your car starts up by itself.
Yep.
So good.
When I get panicked in junctions like that, when I'm like, okay, I'm a bit flustered, oh no, I get a bit panicked and I'm like, and then my stop start kicks in and I'm okay.
Nice. So
I'm
you
like,
get
okay.
a driver fault for stalling, but no drama. You picked
Yeah.
it up and corrected it beautifully.
Yeah.
Let's just quickly, actually, I forgot to talk about the bus.
Yeah.
You were going to turn right in front of the bus.
Yeah, because I felt like he was far enough like away that I'd be able to do it in time. But then I think I took too long to make that decision.
Yeah.
And that's what made me stall, is that I got panicked. Then I saw the light change. Oh my God, the light changed. I'm going to get stuck in the middle of the junction.
You would have actually had to set off really, really quickly
Yeah.
to get in front of the bus, because if the bus has priority and we hold them up, that's
Yeah.
going to be a big problem.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't take risks like that on your driving test.
Okay.
It's not about getting somewhere quickly, just safely.
Yeah.
And if I need to, can I make that? Then the answer is probably,
probably
going to
no.
be no. Yeah.
Okay.
This route is going to take in a lot of different things that you've
After
probably...
300 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, then turn left.
as many different roads and driving conditions as possible for
Okay.
you, because that will give you the best idea of can
Yeah.
I just overall general drive.
For sure.
Hopefully we're not going to come up against anything in about 2 minutes that you've never done before.
Roundabouts do scare me, to say the least. I'm not a big roundabout person.
Did you check the
Go
left mirror there
left on
before
the
Yeah.
you changed
roundabout
lanes?
and take
Okay,
the first exit, then turn left.
we'll come back to that in a second.
Yeah, roundabouts do kind of scare me, just a little bit.
Nice acceleration.
That's what I need.
Yes, please. Do that. That's amazing.
Frankie sounds very fierce sometimes.
That really quick, heavy acceleration that you can do to get into a roundabout or to emerge quickly, that's amazing. Do that.
Yeah.
But let's quickly talk about what happened before the roundabout.
Yeah.
You changed lanes. I asked you if you checked the mirror. I actually wasn't looking, so thanks for being honest.
Yeah, no,
Or
I
if
did
you-
have a little looky.
Nice.
After
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
400
To change lanes, we
yards,
also need to
turn
signal.
left.
Ah!
Cool.
Yeah.
And remember, this is a practice. I can't give you a driving license.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So all of the things that you're getting wrong, if they're like I can help you with,
Mm-hmm.
if you try and get them all right, but then it's actually something you have a habit of getting wrong,
Yeah.
and we don't pick it up, then that's going to be more annoying
Yeah,
that we didn't
it's-
pick it up. We want
yeah.
to pick up everything.
100%. Oh, I'm struggling today. I don't know why. I do apologise.
It's all right. This is the smallest problem that, like stalling, nobody cares.
It's for me. It's because I'm nervous about this one.
Okay.
It's because I'm somewhere I don't know, and I have a habit of.
Focus on this, but talk me through it.
Okay, so I'm speeding up. Gonna start indicating in a minute. Also gonna change gear, make it a lot easier.
After 800 yards, keep right.
Okay, that car is moving over. Okay.
Decent. You have done that before.
Yeah. Oh, it's 50. Oh, my indicator's the one.
Nice.
I was like, why am I hearing that?
So we're going to
Take
exit
the
next.
exit,
How are you going to
then
do that?
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Cool. Keep the speed up for now. I'm going to help you here just because
Okay.
it's helpful. Keep the speed up at 50 now.
Okay.
Push, 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 push. We're going to exit and then slow down.
Okay, so this bit, checking the mirror.
Nice. And then use the deceleration lane or slip road to bring your speed down.
Okay.
After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
I'll let you concentrate on this, but we'll talk about that
Exit.
again in a second.
Okay. I think I checked that a bit too late.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
What's the speed limit?
30.
Oh, nice. Well done. Spotted it.
Oh, I cannot see, mate. Your car was right in my way. Oh. Oh dear, my dad's gonna kill me. He's gonna watch this back and I'll be like, Izzy, you're an idiot.
What gear were you in?
I was in third then.
Yep.
I did think I changed, gonna be honest.
Easy mistake
After
to make.
600 yards, turn left.
So this, no.
Nobody minds the small,
Yeah.
like that's absolutely fine.
My dad would be like, Izzy, really?
I tell you what happened there. You were in the wrong gear. Most people
After
would
400
then,
yards, turn left, then you have reached your destination.
most people would keep setting off and let the car stall, but
Yeah,
you
no.
spotted it so
Yeah.
fast and did something about it so that you could carry on. That, to me and to an examiner, looks way better
Yeah.
than you just being in the right gear in the first place.
Yeah.
You can listen to the car, hear it, feel it, and understand what it's telling you. The on-slip road is for acceleration. The point of it is so that you can get your car
Yeah.
up to the speed of the road that you're joining before you get to the end of it, so that we can join at the same speed
Yeah.
as the traffic already on it.
Okay.
The off-road, slip road, the deceleration lane, sometimes called, is so that you can decelerate your car down to the speed that you can deal with the next junction. So if we decelerate on the A2, A3
Yeah.
or a
Yeah.
motorway, we're now making the car behind who had no
To
intention
slow,
of
yeah, to slow down.
exiting,
Okay.
slow down. Then the car
Yeah.
behind them, 10 cars back, 5,
Yeah.
you've now caused a tailback on the
I know.
No, this is
Yeah.
good. Like now I can explain it on
Yeah,
the
yeah.
A2. So we are
Yeah.
going to keep up to speed unless there's something ahead, like a hazard.
Yeah.
Slow moving vehicles.
Like if a
to
car
slow down
starts, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Keep up
Yeah.
to speed that you can.
Yeah, because
and
in
then
my
cut them off.
brain, I have to slow down a bit before I go onto that road because that road is like a slower road, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So in my brain, I'm like, I'm not turning, but I'm still moving that way.
Interesting.
That's how my brain thinks of it. Is that with that road, I slow down a little bit before, and then I start slowing down more.
On that road that we joined, on the slip road, the 30 sign was right at the end of it. So technically that whole slip road was 50 miles an hour. So we could keep up to 50, we just have to be at 30 by the end. But there's a roundabout, so we'll just be at a
Yeah.
speed to deal with that roundabout.
Okay.
We are gonna go straight on this mini roundabout. It's
Okay.
the second exit, that way.
So this type of thing,
Yep.
I don't know, do I indicate? Because I'm going
We're going
straight.
straight, not left or right. So
Yeah.
no.
Oh, thank God there's no one coming. I did not have to stop on that hill. So this one, yeah?
Yep, thanks.
Okay. Do not like doing big hills. Not a fan.
Really? You
Yeah.
don't like hill starts?
I don't mind. I can do them. I'm fine with them.
Okay.
I just don't like them sometimes.
Okay.
Because I'm like, I want this like really steep. Because I went to school in Reigate,
Okay.
and there's a very big hill there called Pebble Hill.
Pebble, I think I know that one.
Yeah,
What school did you go to?
It was a specialised school for dyslexics. It's called Moon Hall.
Okay.
And yeah, I was not a fan of that hill. So
Because you drove there when you were at school?
no, so me and my dad would just drive around, and because he wanted me to try and get used to different places and different roads, we would go all over the place sometimes when I first started driving.
Okay.
And I remember there's a big hill, and I was like, oh my God. And I myself, I live on a very big hill as well.
So you must have had loads of practice.
So I do have a lot of hill start practice. I just don't like them. They still
Okay.
scare me. This looks confusing. I think that just because there's a bollard in front of me. I'm not used to seeing that type of thing.
Width restrictor.
Yeah.
They have these in Morden too. Not done this before?
Not really.
Bloody hell, yes. Breezed through that. Well accurate as well. Most people would just go down to first gear. Bit safer, but Izzy's got that covered, don't worry.
Yeah.
We've stopped in the petrol station. Izzy needs petrol. That's the end though. Well done. Would you have passed?
Probably not.
Probs not. Do you know why?
Probably. I stalled a few too many times.
The stalling's fine. It was mainly the manoeuvre. There's no
Okay.
observation behind. But you're driving super confident.
Okay.
You're actually amazing at driving. So
It's just the manoeuvres.
this is a completely new area that you've never driven in before. A few things that gaps in knowledge that we've plugged. And
Yeah.
if we did this like a couple more times, you'd be absolutely fine for your driving test.
Okay.
I'd be happy to let you take it like next month.
Okay, cool.
Honestly.
I'll take that then. I will take that as a good sign.
Now we've thought about running dogs over.
Yeah.
You're not going to do that
No,
again.
yeah, definitely.
So this is just, I've learnt something and then I've fixed it. But the
Yeah.
actual driving, superb. Look how
Okay.
quick you took that width restrictor. That is confidence.
Yeah.
So
I think that's the best thing about having the smallest car.
Same.
I'm good with it.
Same. Yes, I feel you. Comments, please, guys. Wish Izzy some love, luck, and best wishes for her upcoming, hopefully sooner than March, driving
Yeah,
test
hopefully sooner.
coming up. And YouTube thinks that you'll also love this video, so click it and watch it. It will help you loads with your driving test coming up. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. We're out.